This is one of the model plant for the sun orchids. It's called Thysanotus. And look at the flowers. They are beautiful flowers. They have a kind of fringed petals. In fact, they are called Fringe Lily. Fringed lilies. They are buzz-pollinated plants. They have anthers, poricidal anthers, with pores as a final tip of the anthers, where the pollen gets out from those pores, from those final tips, and the bee actually has to vibrate the thorax and the wings in order for the pollen to get out. So it's a fantastic way for pollination. It's called buzz pollination. It's among one of the most intriguing adaptations in the plant-pollinator dynamic interaction. So it's something really spectacular.